Hey guys, Fix It here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to fix my AC. Basically all I'm going to do is just recharge it. I had a buddy do this a couple years back and now it's leaking or something. So I bought the one actually that fills up and fixes the leaks as well. So let me run you through it and show you how this works. First, what you're going to need to do is actually locate your low pressure refill. So on the Ford F-150, it's down here. Looks like a little, like a bicycle or like a tube cap. I'll put a link in the description below to actually show you how to find yours. It doesn't matter what car you have, this website is awesome. Other than that, you hook up your hose to it and it's going to read like it's high initially, and then what you'll do is you'll turn on the truck and it'll run. It'll tell you how low it really is. So let's do that. Now we've been running for about 3 minutes now. Should be working. So what you want to do is you want to turn your AC all the way up to max. Obviously all the coolant all the way high. So right now it's pushing out, what is that, 80 degrees? It's about 79 out, 80 degrees, so it's basically circulating regular air. And that compressor is turning on and off, which means it's not allowing it to actually do anything because there's no coolant in there. So let's refill it. So basically you want to shake this up pretty good before you start. And while you're doing it, you're going to hold it upside down. You're going to turn it from like 12 o'clock to 3 just to get that coolant to actually keep going in there. Fluctuating between 25 and 45. So now we're in the blue. So we get some more in there. Getting down as low as 25 and as high as 45. So let's go see how cool it is inside. Almost 50 degrees. It's working. Feels like it's empty. Shake it. And that's it for that bottle. So what it did is it read between 25 and 45, and this says that in the blue is filled. So I'm going to take it as it's filled. I'm not going to add any more of another can. It's reading at 50 degrees inside the cab, as we saw. And so now all I've got to do is put the cap back on. Still going down from 50, so it's gone 48. Fixed it. You can too.